Welcome to Knot So Kreativ. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to do the long tail cast on, but for left-handed knitters. This is the most common cast on, is a favorite among knitters for its stretch, simplicity and knit finish. It has some given, but it is not the most stretchy cast on. It is perfect for everything from hats to sweaters. It's a foundational skill you'll use time and time again. Let's get started. To begin, measure out a tail long enough for your cast-on stitches. A simple way to do this is to wrap the yarn around your needle once for each stitch you need to cast on. If you have a lot of stitches, you can wrap the yarn for a smaller portion, like half or a third of the total stitches, and then fold the length until you have the full amount. Now, hold the needle in your left hand. With your right hand, position the yarn. The tail should be over your thumb, and the working yarn, which is attached to the ball, has to be over your index finger. Use the rest of your fingers to hold the loose ends in your palm. For stability, this will be your starting position. For the first stitch, you can start with a slip knot, but I recommend doing the following. Place the needle over the yarn between your thumb and index finger. Twist the needle around the yarn to form a loop, creating the first stitch on your needle. I like this because it avoids the bump that comes with the slip knot while ensuring a smooth and clean edge for your cast on. Okay, now let's make the second stitch. Bring the needle up through the loop on your thumb, catching the yarn closest to your palm. Next, swing the needle over and under the yarn on your index finger, pulling it down through the thumb loop. Release the loop from your thumb and gently pull while holding tension on the yarn with your fingers. Place your thumb back in position to create a new loop. You've just made your first stitch. Now, let's keep going. The motion for additional stitches is the same. Up through the thumb loop, grab the yarn from your index finger and pull it through the thumb loop. Release the loop from your thumb, adjust the yarn and repeat. Now, when using the long tail cast on, aim for a tension that allows the stitches to slide easily on the needle without being overly loose. If your stitches are too tight, try relaxing your grip on the yarn. Or you can use a larger size needle than the one used for the rest of the project. And that's it. That's how you do the long tail cast on for left-handed knitters. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, subscribe and leave a comment below. I'd love to hear about your projects. Happy knitting, and I'll see you in the next video.